Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips and remedies. Today, we're talking about something most of us have experienced at some point: diarrhea. It can be uncomfortable and inconvenient, but don't worry. I've got some natural home remedies to help you manage it. Let's get into it. First up, hydration. When you have diarrhea, your body loses fluids and electrolytes quickly, so staying hydrated is super important. Drink plenty of water, or even better, try an oral rehydration solution. You can easily make one at home by mixing a teaspoon of salt and 6 teaspoons of sugar in a liter of water. This helps replace lost electrolytes and keep you from getting dehydrated. Next, try the BRAT diet: bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast. These foods are gentle on your stomach and help firm up stool. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as you feel better. The blandness of these foods reduces irritation in your digestive tract, giving it time to heal. Ginger is another great natural remedy for diarrhea. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce nausea and discomfort. You can make ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water for about 10 minutes, or you can chew on a small piece of ginger if you're feeling brave. Chamomile tea is also fantastic for soothing your digestive system. It has anti-inflammatory and calming effects, helping to reduce cramping and discomfort. Sipping on chamomile tea throughout the day can help bring some relief. Here's an interesting one: pomegranate. Pomegranate seeds have natural antibacterial properties, and the juice can help reduce diarrhea symptoms. You can either eat the seeds directly or drink fresh pomegranate juice to help fight off the bacteria causing the issue. Finally, probiotics. Yogurt with live cultures can restore the good bacteria in your gut that might be disrupted during a bout of diarrhea. It helps promote healthy digestion and can reduce the duration of symptoms. Remember, these home remedies are great for mild cases of diarrhea, but if your symptoms persist for more than 2 days or you're experiencing severe dehydration, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. I hope these tips help you feel better soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful videos. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.